Hello students, welcome back to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Rayat online program. You all know that sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. But when it is the question of chocolate, you don't like to share it to anyone. For example, now you have one chocolate bar and you are going to share the chocolate with 4 friends. So how you will share it? Now this sharing is nothing but fraction. Numbers in this form are known as fraction. Let us study in detail. Now here you can see this is a pizza and here pizza is cut into pieces, half and small pieces to share with others. Now what are fractions? Definition of fraction. Fraction represents equal parts of a whole or collection. Fraction represents equal parts of a whole thing. Fraction of a whole. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole. Here you can see pizza is there and this pizza is divided into 8 equal parts. Now what are the terms of fraction? N upon D. N upon D. Here n means numerator. N means numerator. Number of parts being thought of. The top number. It is also called as the top number. And D means denominator. D means denominator. Number of equal parts the whole is divided into. It is also called as the bottom number. Here one circle is there and it is divided into 6 equal parts. So one part the star is there and others are like that only. So it is 1 upon 6. Now here you can see numerator means the number of parts taken from a whole. The number of parts from a whole is called numerator and the total number of equal parts in a whole is called denominator. The total number of equal parts in a whole is called denominator. So, here we can see the example. Sonu has a large sheet of paper. Sonu has a large sheet of paper. Both Sonu and Salma want to draw a picture. Sonu says, let's divide this sheet into 2 equal parts. Tony says, come, I will do it. Now, Sonu and Salma want to draw a picture and Tony will divide the paper into half. You can see here full sheet of paper is there and it is divided into equal parts. It is half. Sonu and Salma both got half a sheet of paper. When something is divided into 2 equal parts, each of the parts is a half of that thing. Now you can observe the pictures given below here. A whole gawa, here half gawa. A whole apple, half an apple. A whole cake, half a cake. A whole watermelon, half a watermelon. This is how we can see one half of a whole. Now let us move towards a quarter. Tai, Salma, Nandu, Sonu, Tony. Come here, all of you. I have a large sheet of kite paper. Each of you use it to make a kite for yourself. Tony, it means that we will have to make 4 equal parts of that paper. Why? Because there are 4 friends. Nandu, I will make the 4 equal pieces. Tai, excellent. Each of these parts is a quarter of the big sheet of paper. So one sheet of paper is folded and divided into 4 equal parts. So it will be a quarter part. So when something is divided into 4 equal parts, each of the parts is a quarter of that thing. Each of the parts is a quarter of that thing. Here, observe the pictures below to understand the meaning of quarter. A whole cucumber, a quarter of a cucumber. A whole watermelon, a quarter watermelon. A whole cake, a quarter of a cake. This is how you can divide it into a quarter part from a whole part. Thank you.